Hey everybody, this is Mr. Yates here. Just want to give you some brief instructions on how to use this video for the read aloud for the mitten. You all may have been part of my lesson with this before, but what we're going to do is called a soundscape. So I know that many of you don't have instruments at home, but if you do, or if you have anything that makes a sound that your parents are comfortable with using, like pots and pans or sticks, anything like that, you can use that as an instrument. But if you don't, you can just use body percussion, like clapping, snapping, pat your chest, stomp your feet, any sound that you can make using your body, that's called body percussion. Now for the instructions. What I'd like you to do is listen to the book one time, all the way through, and I want you to write down or try to remember all of the animals that are in the book. After you finish reading the book, then I want you to assign an instrument or a body percussion to each instrument. For example, I think the first instrument is a mole. If you decide to snap for the mole, every time the author says mole, you snap. After you've assigned one instrument or body percussion per animal, listen to the story one more time. Every time the author mentions the animals, you replace them with a body percussion or instrument. For example, when she says, a mole comes snuffling along. I picked snapping, so that's what I had to do. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy The Mitten. It's one of my favorite winter stories and all the activities. Have a good day.